But the second pickup will put up more of a fight.
There's no steering. Not a good axle left in this truck.
Oh, sure, go from the bottom. I tried from the top.
This truck's pretty heavily damaged. Hopefully nothing falls off or falls apart.
At the military wrecker, Dylan begins to winch.
Good.
But the second pickup, with its broken axles,
Watch yourself, Rooster.
is difficult to wrangle.
It ain't coming nicely.
Worst case scenario is it gets hung up,
Timber!
and then we're not able to move it.
And the trickiest obstacle
Hold on.
is yet to come.
We're gonna have to pull it through the fence into this field to get it into the clearing.
The reliable team regroups.
You want me to go kind of like on this side?
Yeah, just down, and then we'll just hook you to the front toe pin there, and it'll bring over the front end.
We're gonna use the 1 ton and help direct the truck.
With one line from the military truck, they'll add a second line from the 1 ton to finesse the pickup through a gap in the fence.
Just hook it to the driver's side chain.
Okay.
Unfortunately, with the damage on this truck, it's a little hard to maneuver it.
I'll pull it ahead, and he'll steer it over.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
I guess we'll see how well this works.
It's working.
But as the pickup nears the fence,
Okay, he needs the front end to go that way.
Little bit of finesse, my friend.
I think it's gonna hit this post. Oh! It's gonna take that out.
Oh, there's a couple of four-wheelers in the ditch there.
in a field near Merritt,
I'll pull it ahead, and he'll steer it over.
Okay.
Reliable's off-road weapon
Okay, he needs the front end to go that way.
is struggling to get a damaged pickup
Hey,
through a narrow gap in a fence.
I think it's gonna hit this post.
We didn't want to damage the fence too much.
But the unit makes contact.
Oops.
Now working into dusk,
We got a wide open place now.
Dylan will come back to fix the fence later.
We're hoping to get out of here before it gets dark out.
Dylan unhooks the 1 ton's line. With the second truck no longer needed,
hey, Dylan,
Yep,
which one?
the back one.
James gets his first shot at running Reliable's off-road weapon.
Tested out a new toy and see if we either break it or it works just fine. When it comes to deeper snow, the 6x6 is definitely the truck that should be going in.
With daylight fading,
Go over here, like line right next to the military.
the team hustles to get out of the bush.
Go ahead.
And then to the right.
Good.
James is gonna halt to the top.
It's been interesting, just the way we had to pull these out, but it all worked.
All in all, we got 2 good recoveries, 2 jobs out of it.
The 20,000-pound tractor is ready for action.
Okay, boys, rock and roll.
John moves the heavy into position.
Are they tight?
Yep.
And begins
Oh, okay, go.
the tricky tug of war.
It's already hit a bunch of trees and it's broken apart pretty good. So hopefully it plows right through everything.
Coming off the trees. Keep pulling.
You hope that your strapping works. You hope that you haven't chained it up wrong.
there. What's going on? The wreck is hanging.
Near Revelstoke, BC,
They're moving?
Yep.
a wreck pinned in a forest
Coming off the trees?
has Big John.
Hold it.
Playing it cautious.
Don't want anything to come loose on us.
You do your best to pull it all up as one unit.
Everything okay?
We're making sure we do everything right.
The recovery is on hold
Check, double check.
until they're certain the rigging is ironclad.
One little mistake, it all comes out in the wash.
I hate seeing them break loose and go back down the hill.
Yeah, we got a recovery going on.
40 minutes east,
Hold on the driver's side. I just don't want them to come flying off.
Big John's gut check on a tractor trapped in timber
Okay.
confirms the lines are secure.
Okay.
Just gonna make sure it was rigged properly, but it's much safer.
Good to go, Lockie.
Yet.
All right, pulling.
The second attempt begins
How's it looking?
Trees are doing what they're meant to do.
to bring the tractor up in one piece.
John, maybe give your left winch a little more.
But John
All I can do is watch these lines.
We got it.
faces a hidden disadvantage.
It's on such a steep embankment. I'm not seeing the tractor until I can see it over the crest of that hill.
Finally,
Oh, there it is.
John's 20,000-pound target
Oh, these smokes.
crests the blacktop.
That's awesome.
The rigging worked. The whole tractor came up in one piece. Well, a little worse for wear.
I'm going to pull ahead now.
But what should be the final round
They got it almost up. They're just one little snag.
reveals the forest
It's even got a little sled. Holy.
isn't finished with them yet.
We got to lift it off that big piece of log.
You never know what you're gonna get. It's a total surprise.
Okay, he's going to be backing up to that truck.
Now on scene, Columbia's 50-ton wrecker
Straight back.
is back in action after breaking down yesterday.
We got back to the shop last night. We had a new line on it. We're ready to go again.
John's most powerful heavy
That's enough.
has arrived just in time.
I'm just gonna pick up the front of the truck, muscle that tree out from underneath it.
A little bit more.
More logging.
Oh, Lord.
The 400-pound problem is solved,
Mission accomplished. Somewhat.
but the wrecked tractor is far from roadworthy.
It's pretty mangled. I've got a little bit of a challenge here.
Let's get this thing hooked up.
John decides
Okay, boom up.
to attempt the nearest pullout.
Get it to a safe spot just to get the road open.
I'm going to wait for traffic.
It's a mid-air gamble for the Columbia team.
Okay, that's the end coming up.
With John facing backwards and the second wrecker on the front, the 20,000-pound tractor must travel suspended
Yeah, I'm just riding the fog line.
for more than a mile.
Just leave it in gear. Don't use any throttle.
Both trucks are going to be applying power at different times.
It's towing pretty straight.
You got to know what you're doing.
But the biggest obstacle
That's pretty slick.
is a bridge just down the highway.
Bridge decks, they freeze because the cold air can get underneath them, Hopefully things go smooth.
Yeah, go ahead and grab a gear.
Bridge was pretty icy.
Hang on a minute. Be careful.
Hang on a minute.
Near Revelstoke, BC.
Hang on a minute.
Hang on a minute.
Big John's final move
Yeah, go ahead and grab a gear.
on a 2-day wreck
A cool way to haul it.
is a suspenseful situation.
Quite a precarious tote.
Okay with that?
Hey, that's good. That's good.
We've got to work together, so we're never fighting each other or binding each other.
So the truck runs, it's good for us, it'll release the brakes.
They start to rig
Maybe this won't take that long.
for what should be a simple tug from behind.
Pull it out the way it went in. Yeah, you want to drive her ahead or you want me to do it? Go ahead.
This winter, with Jamie going back and forth between 2 bases, it's Greg's first chance to work with the boss in weeks.
It's nice to work with a guy that's been in the industry for so long.
Well, let's take this bottom one, put them both on top.
Jamie tweaks the rigging and starts to winch on the empty unit.
The art of recovery really is to get this thing back on the road without damage.
But the semi isn't going anywhere but up.
Holy.
This truck goes off-road and plows into the snow.
Holy.
The engine's hot, the wheels, the brakes, everything's hot.
Tell them to keep trying.
And the snow just melts and moisture freezes into this truck
He's really in there, eh?
and actually grabs it. It's an empty truck and an empty trailer. Should just come backwards.
The tractor is locked in the snowbank,
What's going on here?
and the trailer is taking the Mac for a ride.
Slippery road.
On Highway 3,
Holy.
a frozen tractor with an empty trailer is taking Jamie for a ride.
The wrecker actually loses grip. This trailer goes bang on the ground.
Unbelievable. Okay, stop for a minute.
It's not coming out of there.
Under the Mac's stiff legs are a set of ice cleats.
You see, it's just gliding along there.
But Jamie needs something more.
We'll change the spades.
And for better bite,
These aren't frozen, are they?
has Greg flipped down the Mac's spades.
It's just fighting us. It's locked into that snowbank.
Greg moves the wrecker forward.
I'll give it another go.
And Jamie is ready for round 2.
This should hold better. Okay, give her a pull.
Once again, the frozen front end is putting up a fight.
I was expecting this to go a lot smoother.
He's in there hard. The ice and the snow just has a grip on it. We got to go to a plan B here.
Jamie will separate the trailer from the tractor.
I don't know if you're gonna get the pin to go, but try it.
The driver reaches in to pull the kingpin,
No, it worked.
and the 2 units are disconnected.
Put the legs down a little bit.
What we're going to do right now is pull them out separately.
Greg must carefully inch back the trailer
I'd never do this with a loaded trailer.
with the landing gear down.
We've
We've got to really watch that we don't bend or catch the landing gear. That's good. We want to make sure it stays intact.
Yeah, keep going. That's probably about good. You got lots of room just to back in here.
Now they can get at the tractor and pull directly on the iced up unit.
Coming. Nice.
Having the trailer out of the way means that we actually go in and pick that truck up out of the snow.
It's marvelous. Here.
The cab is finally free.
Perfect.
Now Jamie
Think you can get under?
guides the driver back
Okay, look out. He's gonna slam into her hard.
to reconnect with the trailer. And the job is over.
We're glad it's done. It proved to be more than what we wanted it to be.
You ready, Merv?
Yeah.
Crucial for us to be in the same wavelength here.
Alrighty, here we go.
Nice and easy.
A monster wreck
Get going.
and horrifying weather has a pair of rotators
She's pretty unstable, eh?
losing ground.
You're fighting a loaded truck and trailer in the ditch. It wants to stay where it is.
You need to slide backwards.
It's very icy and slippery and snowy. The fights you every step of the way.
Hold on, buddy.
To stop from sliding, Merv needs his rotator
Can't even get the pins out.
to get better bite into the icy road.
Frozen in.
The pin?
Yeah.
The rotators, they have a set of cleats. You can flip them down, and it provides more traction.
It won't come out.
1 hour into the nasty recovery.
Oh, there's Jamie Davis.
Me and my old truck 6.
Jamie returns from helping other drivers up the road.
How you doing, Merv? You guys got lovely weather out here.
I think that these guys aren't having a good day.
Finally, the cleats are released.
Okay, holy.
Definitely got to stay on your toes and keep moving.
These went down okay?
Yeah.
Even though his brother Jason has 2 rotators,
That's a big deal. That's a lot of weight, man.
Jamie knows it will take more iron to change the course of the battle.
You take into consideration the truck sliding back on the ice and the huge weight of this container.
You want him on the front end?
He might help us, yeah.
Yeah. We make a decision to call in another truck.
Hey, Greg. We might get you to give us a hand here with this thing.
I'm kind of looking forward to getting started with this wreck. I've never worked with a rotator before.
Minutes later,
Here he comes.
Greg arrives on scene in Jamie's 30-ton Mack.
It's a long night. The only thing that's keeping me going right now is just the adrenaline.
Is there any way through? The road's completely closed.
Traffic is going nowhere at this point. It's an absolute shutdown.
Under pressure,
I'm gonna put 2 chains.
Jamie works fast to rig the front of the wreck.
Like wrap it around once, you know? I agree.
The quicker we can get in there and get this truck out of the way, the better.
With 4 lines from the rotators already on the wreck, Jamie will add 2 lines from the Mack to winch the tractor ahead, while the rotators work it from the side.
Let's get that winch line onto it.
For Greg,
You'll have to boom out here a little bit. Yeah.
it's the first time working with Aggressive's big iron.
Crank it to the right a little bit.
And Jamie's new truck
Careful on this bumper.
will have to help the rotators to rescue the precarious load.
Come on this side.
Jamie leaves it to his new operator to work the controls.
You know, just these things are really delicate, right? So just do as much as you can.
You got to watch the energies that you're applying to that truck.
I don't want you to pull more than those guys. Let them work too.
There could be a huge catastrophic fail if people don't work together in this job.
To help guide the wreck,
Will you take the brakes off in the truck?
Jordan climbs up into the tilted cab to grab the wheel.
Wheels to the right a bit. Just like that.
I'll steer it out while they winch on it.
Just start getting it to move, then we'll come with them.
Slowly, Greg starts to tug on the tractor.
Okay, left winch. The other one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Keep coming.
And all three wreckers
It's coming.
are pulling together.
Try to work at the same time and get it up and out.
Just keep coming.
But near the back of the wreck, Merv's low line
Merv.
is showing signs of heavy strain. Near hope,
Keep coming.
2 rotators
A little bit on the other side.
and a 30-ton wrecker are in an all-out battle
Take the pressure, Merv.
with a bulky load on the brink.
Oh,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You okay?
Hold it.
The wreck's powerful resistance
what's going on?
Broke the belly winch line.
proves too much for Merv's low line.
There's a prime example of how you could have a fail.
We're losing the cable.
With normal wear and tear, the line was scheduled to be replaced
We just ordered cable for that too.
before Merv was called into action.
We knew it was on its way out. Next thing you know, we look at a truck and trailer that's teetering in the ditch.
Hit that top line. What does it do? Does this tip it over?
Now Merv's rotator has only one line to bear the load, and the other
I can help it with that one. I just can't do much anymore.
severely compromised.
Oh yeah, okay.
We're going to try to pull it up with a little bit of a high tug.
Merv, just pull the top.
Merv tests his high line,
Yeah, keep doing that. Keep doing that.
and the recovery continues.
He's coming. Just tell him to keep coming.
It's a bit of a dance working with all these trucks together.
Look at that.
Merv swings the back of the trailer
Oh, there he goes.
onto the road,
Nice, nice.
Okay.
and Jason snugs up the front,
Keep going.
leaving the last step for Jamie's rookie operator.
Even with the 2 rotators, we really need Greg in here to make this job go.
You're getting good at this, Greg.
I'm watching what's going on.
You're watching him now. I don't even have to tell anything anymore.
Take it out nice and slowly to get this on the road.
And just keep doing your thing.
Greg is just handling himself phenomenally. I'm very amazed at how quickly he's picked up on things.
Yeah, brake.
Okay.
On the coldest night in years,
You good?
Yeah. I think he can almost go by himself.
3 trucks, 2 teams, and 1 junior operator
Well, the front end help to do that was significant for us.